how to turn off archive chats on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to unarchive conversations and disable the Keep Chats Archive feature on Android. First, launch the WhatsApp application on your Android device. The app will open to your main chat screen. Next, scroll down to the bottom of your chat list. You'll see Archived with the number of hidden chats. Following that, tap on Archived to view all your archived conversations. Your archived chats will be displayed. Now, long press on the chat you want to unarchive. The selection menu will appear at the top. Moving forward, tap on the Unarchive icon at the top. The chat will move back to your main chat list. Afterwards, if you want to disable Keep Chats Archived, tap the three dots at the top right. The menu will drop down. Then select Settings from the options. Your WhatsApp settings will open. Once that's done, tap on Chats. The chat settings page will load. Alternatively, scroll down until you see Keep Chats Archived. Now toggle off Keep Chats Archived. This ensures new messages will unarchive chats automatically. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn off archived chats on WhatsApp, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.